playboy, 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 playboy.
I already did one eye off camera, but I will be going in with my Sephora Pro palette, and the shade I'll be using today is the color Tangerine, I believe. I'll be using that as my transition shade, and I'm gonna be going in with this soft blending brush. I don't know the name of it, but I just know it's like really good. And oh yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell, like this video, and you gotta turn on that notification bell so you can know when I upload my video. Like as soon as I upload it, y'all see it. I'm going to be using this Cranberry color. I don't remember the name that's in the palette, but I'm going to be using that shade and applying that into my crease with this pencil eyeshadow brush. I got it from Tarte. I like it. And then I'm going to just blend it out with a blending brush, which I also got from Tarte. And don't come at me because it's looking a little sloppy, but I'm gonna fix all that up, you know? I'm gonna fix it all up. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Alright, so I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm gonna be going in my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. And yeah, I'm gonna just cut that crease. I'm not really good at cutting my crease, but I do a little something like, you know. Alright, so my crease is cut and it looks clean and nice, and I like how it came out. Now I'm just gonna be packing some gold eyeshadow onto my lids, and then I'm gonna apply that Cranberry shade that I used in my crease. I'm gonna just apply that for the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm gonna just blend in those two shades together. So the eyes are done. I did my lashes and my wing liner off camera. So right now I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Primer and also the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'll be mixing both of those onto my face. Going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to be using a flat foundation brush just to blend out that foundation, and then going over that with a beauty blender. back in with that same concealer that I used earlier. I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, conceal my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and underneath my contour line. Going to be going in with my NYX contouring palette, and the shade I'll be using, I believe is called Mocha or Cocoa, and I'm just going to contour my face, and then I'll be blending that out with a damp beauty blender. I do not bake, so right now I'm just setting in that translucent powder onto my face, and I'm going to be sending this all over my face. Using my Maybelline powder contouring palette, and I'm just gonna set the cream contour in place with this. Using the Tarte blush in the shade Party, and I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks. Then I'm gonna be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm just gonna highlight my face, and to set all my makeup together, I'll be going in with the Tarte setting spray. Finishing look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in my next video.